Hi friends, welcome to Automation with Ansible Playbooks course, and this is Narendra, instructor for this course. Friends, I'm designing this course based on my experience, and believe me, this is worthwhile course to learn how to write playbooks from basic to advanced level. I mean, by including different concepts of your playbooks like files, templates, handlers, role, vault, and so many concepts. Friends, learning Ansible engine is not a big task. The big task is how to implement playbooks for different environments based on requirement. Anyway, here you will get clear exposure to implement playbooks from basic to advanced level based on your requirement. And I will start this course from Ansible engine. Once it is done with Ansible engine, then we'll enter into implementation of playbooks part. And friends, we know that in many organizations or environments, there are so many tasks which we used to do it manually. So the primary focus of this course is to understand how we can automate different tasks through playbooks to make our environment free from manual intervention. So that is our primary focus in this course. Anyway, before going to start with our course, you need some prerequisites. They are: you should have some minimum knowledge on any Unix like based operating system, because your Ansible is an open source software available for Linux based systems. That's why you should have some minimum knowledge on any Unix like based operating systems. Along with that, you should have some knowledge on any cloud or VMware, because see, we know that Ansible is used to work with multiple servers at a time. Now, while practicing, you should have some number of servers in your hand, right? So that's why while practicing, to get number of servers, right, I am using either cloud or VMware. I mean, I'm going to create number of servers from cloud or VMware. Anyway, I will create from AWS cloud, but you can take any cloud or VMware just to launch your number of servers, right? And then see, basically Ansible is going to perform any task based on modules. I mean, whatever the task you want to perform through Ansible, you can perform by using modules concept. Sometimes you may not find a default module to perform your task. So at that time, you can develop your own modules if you know some programming knowledge. But it's not mandatory, because most of the times you are going to use default modules. But if you want to develop your own modules, you should have some programming knowledge. So that programming may be Python or Ruby or C++ or Bash. But it's better to learn Python, because Ansible itself, it is developed with Python. So if you know Python, you can easily understand Ansible, and then you can easily develop your own modules. But it's not mandatory, right? Fine. Friends, mastering automation with Ansible and Ansible playbooks is a step-by-step journey. That's why I divided the entire course content into some parts. So in part one, we are going to see introduction part with Ansible and then deploying Ansible. And in these are the concepts we are going to cover in this part one, right? Then in part two, we are going to work completely with playbooks. So and here we are going to see these are the concepts under your playbooks. So once it is done, then we are entering into part three. So here we are going to see building own modules and then implementing some Ansible playbooks for AWS cloud, right? So guys, this is my entire course content in this course. Okay. Okay guys, thank you for watching this video.